What's up, everybody? This is Wayne here, and you are live. Welcome to my office from my office. We are experiencing a power outage here currently. The fun of living in a mountain town, sometimes you don't get power. So it would be very dark in my office, unfortunately. So you're live from my other office, my vehicle office. ALOA is coming up. The ALOA training week is going to be next week, starting Monday. All the way through the week, and then Friday and Saturday are going to be the trade shows. So we really want people to come out and support the association. If you have not taken classes, or even if you have taken classes, if you are signed up and registered for some classes, let me tell you about a couple more. Maybe try adding a few more to your already full list and add a few days. Okay. Book that Monday, book that Tuesday. Okay. Fill that week up and maximize it. You're already paying travel expenses, so maximize it. I have a sales training class, selling security. Okay. You can be the best locksmith on the world, but if you can't sell the job, you will be the best locksmith in the world on the couch. Okay. A very boring best locksmith in the world. However, if you can sell, you can upsell your existing jobs, and then you can sell new jobs to prospects that you don't even have yet. And that is what my class offers. The other class that I have to offer is going to be using social media for your business. So you learn the sales tactics in class for sales and selling security, and then you modify it and you take those skills and you put them onto social media, and you build funnels and campaigns that magnify your business and enhance your skill set. And now you're the best locksmith in the world who's too busy to do anything. And you get to set the terms. You get to fire the customers that you don't want anymore for a better class of customer. And that's exactly what we teach in these classes. I'm Wayne Winton, president of ALOA, and I will be teaching 2 classes, 2 days, Monday and Tuesday, sales, selling security, and the social media marketing for your business. I'd love to have you in my class. Make sure these things fill up. If you see other classes that are on that roster, I'm going to put a link down below. Expand your week if you're already there, or if you're on the fence about coming, guess what? It's a good time to come. It's a good time to meet everybody. It's a good time to socialize, network, get educated, and make this your most profitable year ever. Thanks for watching. See ya next week.